Alright, well, welcome to the shop today, guys. Today we are going to build a bat house. Okay guys, so we have our cedar here. We're going to make a bat house that is 2 feet tall and 14 inches wide. So we need to cut our pieces to length. So the first piece I'm going to cut at 27 inches. And I'm going to need 2 because these are going to be the side pieces. So now we have our 2 pieces of wood that are 27 inches long. Okay, so I've got my side pieces that are 27 inches long. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it, ideally I'm going to make 2 chambers out of this. So I want to put it in the middle of this board so that the bats can fly up into the bat house on this side and on this side. So I need to cut this. Ideally I would like it to be like it should start right here. So we'll make it so this is about 23, so that'll be, 23 inches right there. 21 and a half inches. So then we will cut these to length. Alright, so we have our boards. With the front piece on there, there will be a chamber on this side and a chamber on this side. So if you can see that, I think it's going to work out pretty good. So now we got to make the bat house. I think we're going to make the bat house 14 inches wide, which should be a pretty decent length for them. So we're going to set these aside. And we're going to measure 14 inches. I really wish I had my chop saw. We're just going to do the best we can here. Oh, actually, I'm going to make it, how wide are these boards? 3/4 of an inch? It's pretty close. So I'm going to make it 16 inches wide, that way it'll cover the ends. And I'll have a 14-inch gap for the bats to live in. That's probably why there's a red mark on this tape measure at 16, because that's how big you're supposed to make your bat houses. My guess is I'm going to need about 8 of these at 16. So technically I could just 16 it, 32 it, 48 it, 64 it, and then I can even get one more out of it, then 80 it. Take my speed square. Alright. And if you're wondering why I'm building a bat house, I'll put a clip up on the screen right now. We have bats living in our overhang of our porch. And I want to get them off of the porch because they're pooping all over it. And they don't have to be perfect because it's just for a bat house. Alright, so how many is that? Somebody counting? 2 extra boards. And I'm going to leave the rough side on the inside so the bats can get some traction. Because you know bats love them some traction. I'm hoping 4 boards on the back. Here's the side pieces. Same thing. Rough part on the inside. Still have to cut. Maybe that's what I was thinking. I'm going to need 5 in the back, 3 in the front. So 5 in the back. That way it goes all the way to the bottom. There we go. And I still have to cut the corners right here. Alright, so we're going to nail this piece on here. Make sure you put the rough side on the inside. Alright. Okay, so now we need to attach the middle boards. Spacer boards, that's what I'm going to call them. Spacer boards. Going to put it right to the top. Alright, so now we got to try to figure out what exactly we are going to do here. Okay, so I got the support boards, spacer boards put in here. And then I am going to put, I'm only going to put 1 nail in each board just to make sure I do it right. I'm going to tear it apart again. So all of those pieces are on. The roof is going to go up here. And then this is going to be the landing pad, and then they'll be able to go up like that. So I'm going to attach the fronts. The grippy part goes on the inside. every design I've seen's had this little vent gap right here. So we're gonna put a little gap there. It's about 1/4 of an inch or so. So the bats will come land here and crawl up into there. So just gonna nail this all together. All right, now we need to attach the top. Okay, and then I'll show you what the bat house looks like. All right, so we have completed our bat house, and now we just need to paint it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't think you can build your own bat house, you're more than welcome to purchase one. There's a link down below in the description to Amazon where you can just buy a bat house. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna cut myself. That's the top. We'll do the bat cam. We're bats. This is what the bats are gonna see, and then they're gonna land here, and then they're gonna crawl. They're gonna say, "Oop, I fit in here. Nighty night." And then the bats will just live up in there.